Hey everybody, I'm on another adventure. I am off to try and save another ride. I'm going after a 65 Thunderbird that has been sitting for a very long time. It's a 390 C6 automatic car, 9-inch rear end. I'm not sure if I can save it for sure. I think I can. I got a decent deal on it. I have to haul off a 67 Plymouth 4-door Valiant for the package deal. I couldn't get the Thunderbird without getting rid of the Valiant. So I'm gonna go pick up the Valiant first and then go back and pick up the Thunderbird and try and bring it home. And we're gonna see how this is gonna go, because there is no telling what it's gonna take for me to get these. They're sitting way behind a house in a field, and 2 days ago it rained like 10 or 12 inches around here, and so I'm hoping it's not too wet. I do have 4-wheel drive, but sometimes that ain't enough. So we're off, and we're gonna see what we can come up with. So stick with me and let's see how this goes. Keep your fingers crossed for me. I hope it goes well, but my luck is not that great, so I may be fighting and cussing and having some difficulties, but we'll see. So hang in there. Well, I am arriving at the location. Let's see. Let's get up here and check it out. I gotta go check the property grounds. I gotta go see if this stuff is too wet or not too wet, or what's happening. So let me go do that real quick, because we got a lot of rain the other day. So let me walk out here and check this out. There they are. Whoa. Okay, there's a great big hole right there. There's the Thunderbird. I'll get it. That's what I come after. Right there. That's what I came after. But I gotta get this too. So I think I can come around in front. Maybe back up to that. So I gotta load this first and get it out of here. Let's see. Alright. I'm gonna go back and get the truck. I'll be back in a second. Alright guys, bear with me. Let's see how this is gonna go. She's on. Let me get her strapped down. I'll be right back. All right, well, you can see behind me, one down. Let me get this taken out and offloaded and I'll get back. All right, well, I made it back. Here's what we came after. The real deal, what we came after. 65 Thunderbird. Let's take a real quick look at her. I ran the numbers on it. 390 C6, 9-inch rear end. I don't know how much of it's any good. I don't know if it's got any fluids in it at all. No, that's dry as a bone. Let's pull this and see what it looks like. That don't look real good either. I don't know if it'll run. That's going to be a challenge for another day. No power steering fluid. I don't know what the brakes look like. She's in pretty rough shape. Obviously been repainted at some time down the road. Got lots of Bondo, looks like. Do not know for sure what I'm going to do with it right now. Pretty bad shape. I know the floors are gone. All the seats are rotted. This was a pretty nice car back in the day. It did have leather interior. part of the reason it's all gone. It's all deteriorated and gone. So I got some ideas about it. Let me grab these keys real quick. So it's amazing. Got keys. Let's see. Here's what's in the trunk. Extra alternator, there's the jack, spare tire. It's pretty rough. All the rust up under there. This may be one of those things that may end up being a rat rod. See if I can do a budget rat rod build or something with it. I don't know. I'm gonna have to try and figure all that out. So tell you what I'm gonna do. Let me see if I can get this thing loaded. That's the main thing. Get it loaded, get it back to the house. So I'm gonna set the camera up here where y'all can watch and see if I can get this thing done or not. So hopefully y'all can see my activities. This ought to be fun. See if that helps me any. Never seen that before. Windshield wipers working with the steering wheel. Wow. That's interesting. good enough. I don't know if I ever told you this, but I sweat really bad. See if I can find a place for this to sit while I try and strap this thing down. Let's see if I can stick this to... Nope. I'll stick to that. Nope. Will it just sit right there? No. So, well, alright, I'm just going to turn the camera off while I'm strapping this thing down. So let me get it strapped down and I'll be back. She's loaded up. Check, make sure I got everything strapped in back. Ramps are good. Alright, I'm loaded up and ready to go. So now I'm gonna get home. So maybe I'll pick it back up when I get home, get it offloaded, and then one day later we may do one of them, will it start? We'll see how that goes. So till I get to the house, see you in a bit. Well, I made it home. There she is. I'm getting ready to unload her. But I didn't realize they had such big brakes. These wheels are not really on all the way, but she is rough. But there's some way I can save it. It's got a little rust. Got a little rust in the doors. But there's a way I can save it. And it does have power windows. Here's one of the skirts, underskirts. I think the other one's in the trunk, but figuring out those power windows is going to be fun. Original hubcaps, looks like. Still out there. Yeah, say Thunderbird instead of 4 hubcaps. I know the floor's got to be gone in it, but it was a cool old car at one time. Might be cool again. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. I'm gonna get her unloaded, check her out and get her parked over here behind my shop, I think, and then see what we can do on another day. But for right now, I'm gonna get it offloaded. So what I would say, I guess, is thanks for watching. I appreciate you coming back and watching me. Appreciate you supporting the channel. Hey, do me a favor and hit that like button if you like it. Make some comments. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I would appreciate that greatly. So till next time, hey, keep your head up. Don't look down. Don't look down on yourself or others, okay? Get out there. Save an old car. Save a part of history. Till next time, y'all take care. Bye.